Money Academy.
What if you can make thousands of dollars with Fiverr? You can make up to $150 per sale, without selling anything yourself. Yes guys, it's possible with the Fiverr marketplace. In today's video I'm gonna be showing you how you can do that yourself, without spending any money from your pocket. All the methods that I'm gonna share with you can use for completely free, and you can make a decent amount of money every single day. So if you're ready to learn this make money online strategy, then go ahead and drop a simple like to this video, and help me guys to reach 1,000 likes as soon as possible. And if you want my #1 recommendation to learn how to make hundreds to thousands of dollars with affiliate marketing, then go ahead and check out the first link in the description. So you want to come over to Fiverr.com. Now let me clear you one thing first. We're not going to make any account to this Fiverr website, and we're not going to create any gig ourselves. We're going to do something else to be able to make a decent amount of money from Fiverr. So once you guys come to Fiverr, then you want to go all the way to the bottom, and you want to find out this affiliates link, and once you find it then you want to click on it, and that will take you to this page. Now if we see the URL, then we can see we're on the affiliates.fiverr.com. So we're currently on the Fiverr affiliate program, and here you can see it says, boost your earnings by driving traffic to Fiverr, promote the leading marketplace for freelance services, get paid to drive traffic. It's that easy. So we can get paid just for driving traffic to Fiverr, so we could say that's a super easy way to make money online. You're not going to provide any service to any customer yourselves. You will just send people to Fiverr, then you will just take the commission. So what you want to do, you want to click this start earning now button, then that's gonna take you to this sign up page. Now here you'll put your first name, then you'll put your last name, then you'll put your email ID, then you'll type a username here, you'll set a password here, and then account type you'll choose private. Now here you can see it says do you have a main source of traffic, and you want to choose here no. Then you'll select your country here, then you want to go to the next step, and you want to complete the sign up process. And once you guys logged into your account, then this is how you'll see the dashboard. And now to start promoting Fiverr services, you have to get your affiliate link first, and to get your affiliate link, you want to click here marketing tools, then you want to go to default and deep links, then you'll come to this page. Now here we want to focus on the Fiverr CPA. If you promote this link with someone, then they will be redirected to the Fiverr main page. If we click this down arrow then we can learn more about it, so make sure to read all of this text. So for some marketing methods you have to send traffic to the Fiverr main page. But for today's method we will send traffic to a specific service, under a specific category. So at first you want to come over to Fiverr for that, and you want to search here, install SSL certificate. And then you want to click this search button. Then it'll take you to this page. And here you can see we're getting all the different services about installing the SSL certificate. So what you want to do, you want to open a $5 service from here. And once you open a service, then you want to copy this landing page URL. So you want to highlight the URL, and you want to select right before to this question mark, and you want to make a copy of it. And then you want to come back to your affiliate account, and you want to click here LP URL. LP means landing page, and this is where you'll paste the link. And if you press the enter key on your keyboard, then you'll see all of your affiliate links will be changed. And now if you send traffic through this link, then they'll be redirected to this service. And from here they can easily buy this service. And when someone will buy this service for $5, then you will be paid $50 for that. Here if you click this down arrow, then here you can see it says see full commission plan here. And if you click this link then it'll bring you to this page. And here you can see everything in detail, like how much money you'll be paid for promoting different services under different categories. And the services that we've picked it's under the programming and tech category. And you can see they'll pay $50 for promoting the programming and tech category services. So what you want to do, you want to click this copy icon to copy your affiliate link. And now we want to send traffic through this link. So I'm gonna be showing you a marketing strategy that you can use to bring traffic to your affiliate link. But before we move into that, make sure you tap the like button guys. Remember I need to reach 1,000 likes on this video. Okay, so let's get back to the work. So we're not going to bring any useless traffic to our affiliate link. We will bring targeted traffic, who will be interested to buy the Fiverr services. And to do that, you want to come over to Google first, and you want to search for different online businesses that are available in your area. Let's say you live in the US country, and you want to find out websites that sell shoes. Then you'll type here buy shoes in US, and you want to press the enter key on your keyboard. And now we want to find out those websites which don't have HTTPS to their URL. but you can see all of these websites have HTTPS to their website links. So here is the technical stuff that comes into play. You want to put this text at the end of your keyword, and you want to press enter. And now if we see the websites, then we can see that these websites don't have HTTPS to their URL. They have HTTP but not HTTPS. So we're now getting hundreds of thousands of websites that don't have HTTPS to their URL. So what you want to do, you want to open these websites. And once you open a website, then you want to go all the way to the bottom, and you want to look for their email address, or if you don't find any email here, then you'll find this contact us link, and you want to open this link. And then here you'll fill up these fields, then here in the message box you want to put this text. Now here you can see I marked the product name, so not only you want to target websites that sell shoes, you can target any type of websites that are available in your area. Let's say you want to find gym websites, then you'll type gym and then you'll put your area. Now you can target any country you want, but it would be better if you only target your own country. Because you can talk in your own language with those website owners, and you can bring sales easily. So there is a huge opportunity to make a huge amount of money with the Fiverr affiliate program. So make sure you take action and try out this method, and also don't forget to drop a like to this video. And if you haven't watched these videos, then I highly recommend you to check them as well, and I'll see you there.